This is Gathering Place. It's time for Foolish Friday. This is my first hula hoop. And this is my new hula hoop. You can see the first one I bought was had a different diameter. And for my height, I needed a hula hoop about the large size. So I ordered this on eBay. Oops. Sorry about that. I knocked something over. Alright, let's try and give me a little more space in this room. There we go. This is a lot better than when I first tried. I can talk. I can keep it going for a while. It's starting to feel natural. And then you can just stop. So part of it was putting it against your back. You have to start with the hula hoop against your back. And then it's that twirl when you first start it. It all takes learning. And you learn by practicing, putting the time into it. I don't have bruises on my belly. So it's been 6 to 8 weeks since I first did a Foolish Friday. And I think I've lost some inches. I don't know, I don't weigh myself, so I don't know pound-wise. All right, thank you, Gathering Place.